look at where we are today.
Thanks, Daniel. As you can see, we got a very intense day going on at the moment. Guys, come and look here. What is it? Is it a bone?
Of course it's a bone!
Just check. I think it's a freeze.
Good point though. Let's see if our audience knows. You can tell us what a paleontologist does.
I think they dig things up.
Correct, but what?
Houses!
Not quite. An archaeologist does that. Let's have a look at the differences.
Paleontologists study fossils, while archaeologists study human artifacts and remains.
They sound similar, but fossils can be a variety of things. Shell, tracks, and other bodily imprints, bone, wood, and even pollen.
The children at DCIS have made a fantastic discovery. Over to Elaine to find out more.
Over the summer holidays, our secondary building was being built. Let's go to the secondary building and learn more. Let's see what all the fuss is about. Wow, look at what bones we found. Back to you.
How exciting! Let's find out more about dinosaurs.
We believe that dinosaurs first appeared around 251 million years ago.
There were other animals before that, but they slowly evolved into the dinosaurs we know today. The era in which the dinosaur lived is known as the Mesozoic era. This era lasted for roughly 186 million years.
Because this era was so long, it has been broken down into 3 parts known as time periods.
The first time period was the Triassic and it lasted for roughly 52 million years.
The Earth's continents were all together, making a supercontinent called Pangaea. It went from the North Pole to the South Pole and had a desert in the middle of it. The dinosaurs were not alone. They had to share their space with other animals. Some well-known dinosaurs that lived during the Triassic period were The next time period was the Jurassic period. This started roughly 199 million years ago and lasted roughly 54 million years.
Because the world was changing, lots of other animals died, leaving the dinosaurs to rule the world.
The Earth's continents were starting to drift apart, so that's by the end of the Jurassic period, 2 continents were formed. These were called Eurasia and Gondwana. Some of the different types of dinosaurs in this time period were?
Some of the first flying dinosaurs found have come from this time period.
The last time period was Cretaceous period, which started roughly 145 million years ago and lasted roughly 80 million years.
Wow, that's a really long time.
The continents were still moving and starting to form the world we know today.
Because of this movement, volcanoes started to erupt.
Lots of plants and insects appeared, making life easier for the herbivore and omnivore dinosaurs.
Wait!
Did you know a herbivore is an animal that only eats plants? An omnivore eats plants and meat, and a carnivore eats only meat.
Thanks for that, Anardia. Here's some of the best dinosaurs from this time period. Let's journey back to 1799 England. This young child, Mary Anning, will one day become a world-famous paleontologist. Her life was hard and her family was extremely poor. Her father went to the beach every day to collect shells to sell to passers-by. When she was only 8 years old, her father died after an unfortunate accident.
Once Mary grew up, her family depended on her to provide food, so she decided to start collecting seashells again with her brother.
One day, her brother found some strange young gold. Mary was amazed, so she began to search for more. Soon she had enough gold to make a strange animal. She had discovered a new dinosaur. Unfortunately, Mary had to sell her find to another paleontologist who claimed the discovery as his own. Over the years, Mary found many new dinosaurs, including the fast-flying dinosaur. She became famous among scientists, and they would visit her for advice and to discuss scientific ideas about fossils. Today, Mary is remembered as one of the greatest fossil hunters to have ever lived.
Wow, that was amazing. She's a very talented lady.
Wow, what a fact-packed show we have had today.
We have one last thing to say before we end our episode.
About the
all have yet